Hi guys, it's LiiNatural here. I'm back with another video, and this video was kind of requested. I had a lot of people in my comments asking me what did I do to remove my hair color, and I thought I'd just go ahead and share what I did since I did record some of it. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I hope you all enjoyed this video today. I'm going to be doing a little bit of talking throughout it. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned for these results.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends.
So obviously this is before I bleached my hair. This was actually in the beginning of October when I started doing my color remover. I actually did my first light color remover like the end of September. Then I did another one like a week later. I did basically the same thing. I just added more to my mixture, and you'll see that later in the video. I'm basically just gonna be showing my hair a little bit. I'm just showing how I untangle it and how I get prepared to do this. I basically just mix up the mixture and I apply it to my hair, but before I apply it to my hair, I need to make sure that my hair is detangled. I don't want to put it on my hair if my hair is all, tangled and matted up, because then once you wet your hair, then you're going to be dealing with some dreadlocks, and you don't want to be dealing with that. So definitely untangle your hair, separate it, section it off. I always have mine in 4 sections, or depending on what I'm doing, I work in 2 sections. But since I'm working with a fro, I work with 4 sections.
Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
So let me just go ahead and add, if you pay attention to my hair, you'll see that I have a lot of straight ends. Like in the comments, there were so many people in the comments saying, oh, you did it wrong, you did it this way, you did it that way, you bleached it wrong, you just did it. I did not need to really process the bottom of my hair with that bleach, because the bottom of my hair, the bottom half was already colored. I have like 5-6 inches of new growth right here, so that's why I mainly put the bleach where I put it. And you can see all of my straight ends. Like, I already had all of these straight ends. Like, this is a video from 2 months ago almost. So I mean, you can see that it was already like that in this video. So, but here's the mixture that we are going to be working with. I'm working with some vitamin C pills. You need to make sure you get 1,000 milligram pills. I honestly would recommend, I think this was actually the first lift that I did, and no, this was the second, but I did another one after this. So the next one that I did, I actually added 22 pills. This one I actually only did 12 pills. So I would say the more vitamin C you add to your mixture, the better your results, the more the color is going to get removed. And you can do this about 2-3 times. It doesn't damage your hair whatsoever. You just need to make sure you add some moisture, but it doesn't even make it feel dry to me either. Like, it doesn't make it feel like it's stripped or anything like that. But definitely, if you want better and quicker results, add more pills. So I would definitely get the bigger bottle. This one only has 100 pills. They also have one that is like, I think it has like 600 pills in it, just in case you ever need it in the future. I mean, it's not like it's going to expire anytime soon. So just so you already have it and you get a color that you don't want anymore, you can do this over again instead of using like bleach to remove your hair color, or a oops color remover, which I don't recommend. Girl, don't use no oops, because ooh child, that stuff breaks your hair off for real. And then for my shampoo, I just use the Off-Brand Head and Shoulders, the Equate from Walmart. Make sure it has the zinc with there's some P word in zinc. Make sure it has that in there in the shampoo for the mixture, because I think it's the zinc that really helps with the vitamin C that makes the color, the hair cuticles swell up, and then it just lifts off the color, and that's how this mix is able to actually naturally remove hair color from the hair strands. So this is something I've always been doing. I don't know why I just always just forget how to explain it. I just do it like over the years. I never really I hadn't used bleach or anything like that, all those like harsh chemicals, in like years. Like, I do a natural pre-lightener, and then I'll just strip my hair with this, and then I'll do another color. You know, it's just because I already knew like how to do it on my hair without just leaning towards bleach. So this technique is pretty good. I would definitely recommend it, and girl, you better try it and let me know in the comments what it did for you. I think that's pretty much it. I don't think I need to talk much anymore. I'll talk again a little bit towards the end, before I actually show the ending results, because there's something else I gotta say also before we get there. So keep watching.
The doors open, take the high road and hop in.
So at the end, I'm gonna add a clip of my ending results of like right before I did my bleaching process. You're gonna hear me say that I did a bleach bath, that I was going to be doing a bleach bath, but I actually did not do the bleach bath. I didn't need to, because I just went ahead and started to bleach my hair. So that I did not do. Other than that, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you use this technique, if you like it for your hair, and how it worked for you. If you made a video, tag me in it. I'd love to watch it and see how your results came out. And that's it for this. Y'all can't tell me y'all don't peep my little braids on my undercut. Like, check it out. Like, I braided my undercut. Boom, look at that. Go ahead and get you a plastic bag and a timer set. Go ahead and set this in. Let it set for an hour, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, however long you want to let it sit in. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, so this is my hair. After I just took out my braids, I was get some oil on my shirt. I just took my braids out. All right, girls.
Yes? You gonna do our hair?
Not too loud. So this is my hair. I'm gonna cut bangs, of course, because I don't know, I'm more so like into the bang look, and plus these fronts are very straight. As you can see, they're not as thick and coarse as my other natural hair. You can see they're very defined and straight looking. So therefore, it's definitely damaged. So you can see the back. It's the back of my head. Turn it sideways. So back of my head. That's how it looks. As far as the color. See. Very fuzzy. You can see my hair up close. I'll show you how mine looks. So trying to be more natural and not do the blowouts anymore. I don't plan on getting another one for the rest of the year. I'm probably not gonna get another one until probably New Year's, when I'm close to having a baby, and I'm gonna be getting these faux locks. So my hair is gonna be stretched out, but it's probably not even gonna be straightened. It's probably just gonna be blow dried. And from now on, I'm just gonna try to straighten my hair because I'll probably go to the Dominicans like once. I don't know yet, but you know, it's not easy having to keep cutting hair off because of heat damage, you know. So yeah, very excited about my journey. Actually about to color my hair, trying to get rid of these peachy looking colors. As you can see, this is not the color I was ever going for. This is a faded out color. I did a color remover, and this was the result. So it looks kind of like pinkish. That's not a colorway we're going for, boo-boo. So I'm actually going to be doing like a slight beach bath with 10 volume developer just to get that faded off all the way. And oh wow, my baby.